In this program, we are using Python to read a PDF file and extract text from it. First, do pip install PyPDF2 library, which I have done already. Then we import the PyPDF2 library. This library allows us to work with PDF files, such as reading pages and extracting text. Next, we open the file sample.pdf in read binary mode using the with open statement. The with statement is used so that the file automatically closes after the operation is completed. After opening the file, we create a PDF reader object called reader. This object allows us to access the contents of the PDF. Then, we print the total number of pages in the PDF using len reader pages. Next, we extract and print the text from the first page using reader pages 0 extract_text. You can see output as text from first page. After that, we use a for loop with enumerate to go through every page in the PDF. Enumerate helps us get both the page number and the page object at the same time. Inside the loop, we first print the page number using an f-string. Since Python indexing starts from 0, we add 1 to the page number, so it displays correctly. Finally, we extract and print the text from each page using page extract_text. So overall, this program reads a PDF file, shows the number of pages, and prints the text from every page in the document. Please like, share, and subscribe.